Hello and welcome. Welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. And I did find the other missing keyboard that I meant to test before, but I didn't get to. Because at some point I will have to do a whole big keyboard cleaning operation. This one, I don't know which one, Vic-20 or 64. I just don't know. It actually looks a little dusty. But I will turn it on. And up will come the 64. And I will push the keys ever so gently. And I know already that I'm going to have to take this one apart and clean it. And isn't it funny how the clear home key is not doing it. So yeah. Mostly it seems okay. But of course, mostly doesn't cut it. It does not. See, that cursor key is giving me trouble. And of course, we'll go back up to the number 3. And we got it. So yeah, it's one of those things where, you know, I could beat on it for a while, but I couldn't in good conscience pass this along to somebody else without giving it a cleaning. So I'm going to turn this off, carefully unplug. Ow. Ow. Damn. La 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 la. And then I will take my Sharpie and put an X. And the X marks the spot, but the X just means the keyboard got to be taken apart, got to be cleaned. And, you know, I guess with some of these, what I really should do, I should do the whole 9 yards. And that is pop the keys, you know, put the keys in a bag, clean the keys, take the whole thing apart. The danger with that is once in a while, some key doesn't want to come off, and you end up with a broken stem, and then it's, but you know. If I am going to be putting things up as parts and things and stuff, and I'm sure there's somebody out there who would perhaps need a new keyboard for their Vic-20 or their Commodore 64, that if it's working and it's happy and it's cleaned and it's joyful, then they would be joyful. So anyway, from what I remember of those 4 keyboards that came with this, 3 of them need to be taken apart. One of them seems pretty okay. All right, well, that's it. That's all. And as I say, I do believe that if you have a Vic-20 or you have a Commodore 64, or I guess a Commodore 16, best I can guess, the keyboards are pretty interchangeable. Have a lovely, lovely day. And see, I got to check for memory, got to check for battery, and maybe we'll work on another Vic-20. Maybe. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.